Hi everyone, and welcome to episode 7 with Stamp Time Miss Jane. Today I'm going to show you the kissing technique. Now this is kissing with sips, not lips. Okay, so what we're actually doing is kissing our stamps together, like so. So what you need to do is to find a solid image. Now the best solid image I could actually come up with today was this tiny little present here. So yeah, I was hoping to have a bigger image, but the best I could find was that one. And I'm teaming that up with pattern play, and I particularly like this image here. And then I've added in a happy birthday, and I've kissed it with this stamp here, bringing in this. Now I've started with a lighter image, which is Blushing Bride, and I will ink up my Prezi with that. Then I have a darker color, which is Melon Mambo, and I ink up this image with that, and we simply kiss them together like so and stamp down like that. And to get my little Prezi top, all I've actually done is gone to the side and pop my Prezi top on, just like so. So that is a very simple way to do your kissing technique. Now to show you how I did the happy birthday. So we have the happy birthday and the pattern, a piece of cardstock, the pool party where I've inked up my happy, and Misty Moonlight and inked up my pattern. And again, we just kiss the stamps and press down and you get your pattern. So that is very simply how you can do this technique. Now, I also did grab out a couple of older stamp sets because I was trying to find a bigger image. So this is kind of the biggest one that I could come up with. Now, I'll show you a couple of little things. So you can ink up your solid image, then get your patterny image, and without any other color on that one, and just stamp it down. Now, I'll show you the results you get if you stamp with this one. It doesn't fully come out, but then if you stamp with this one, you've got your pattern. So that's another snazzy way you could do that technique as well. If you've got, I think, a bigger image, like I couldn't find a bigger image with the current stamp sets that I have at the moment. So here is the card for my kissing technique. I hope you'll like that, and I hope you'll give it a try. And until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping. Bye.